Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add Chrome Bookmark Widget in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on screen in your itel S15 mobile phone to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by scrolling down or up on screen. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Chrome Bookmark Widget. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the Chrome Bookmark Widget to add to your home screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the Chrome Bookmark Widget in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.